Hello everyone, this is Willa, and today I have a job hiring event from Spectrum. They call it a customer service virtual hiring event. Spectrum is out of Columbus, Ohio. The pay rate for this customer service job will be $16.50 an hour, and they're hiring many representatives. When you consider a job with Spectrum, you will learn more, especially at their hiring event. But I'll give you a brief overview of it now. The event is invite only, so please RSVP to receive further details. The event date is Wednesdays, June 17th and June 24th. The time for the meeting is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. And once you RSVP, they will send you an email with more details, and you will be able to choose the time that you would like to attend the virtual hiring event. The call center will be remote from home. So let me explain to you what a hiring event is. It's like a job fair, but more personal because it's just for Spectrum. This way, you can meet more people and quickly match them with jobs. To get a head start, you should fill out an application on the Spectrum Career website and complete the skills assessment. You must complete that assessment to continue the interview process, and they recommend using a computer in a distraction-free place. If you're curious about the role of the customer service representative, it's called an internet voice repair. What will happen, you'll learn new skills to connect people in ways that really matter. So their internet voice repair representatives are tech-savvy problem solvers who learn how to make a real difference for their customers. At-home fixes, order processing, support escalation, optimizing high-speed services. It's all about creating a positive customer experience. You will learn a range of computer applications in their fully paid training program. The peer monitoring and support will give you everything you need to succeed and get comfortable in the role. So, Spectrum is not just a job, it's the start of a rewarding career that can grow with you. So, bring copies of your resume for reference, and they will have questions for you about your experience, and it helps to have your resume in front of you. And they also encourage you to be prepared to ask them questions too. So just to reiterate, this is going to be a full-time job. It pays $16.50 per hour. They have benefits, which will be health insurance, paid time off, retirement plan, and tuition reimbursement. And I will leave the link to this virtual hiring event below this video. And enjoy, and thank you for listening. And I hope that someone will apply for this job. And if you do, please leave me a comment down the bottom that you applied and what happened. Thank you, and have a good day.